But I have wandered, I have strayed, lost in shadows far away. Still your mercy called my name. Through the night, through the pain, I chased the world, I sought my own. Yet only you could lead me home. With empty hands I lift them high. Lord, forgive me, hear my cry. Here I am, Lord, take my heart. Set a fire, brand new start. All my life I give to you. Lead me, guide me, make me new. Here I am, Lord, take my soul. Break my chains and make me whole. Every breath my song will be. Jesus, I am yours completely. Every burden, every fear, I lay them down, you draw me near. No more running, no more doubt, in your presence I bow down. You bore my shame upon the tree, love poured out to set me free. Now my heart beats to your name, Jesus Savior, come and reign. Take my hands, take my voice, every heartbeat, every choice. Let my feet walk in your ways. Lead me, Lord, for all my days. Take my dreams, take my past, mold me, shape me, hold me fast. Let my soul forever sing Jesus Christ, my risen King. Here I am, Lord, take my heart. Set a fire, brand new start. All my life I give to you. Lead me, guide me, make me new. Here I am, Lord, take my soul. Break my chains and make me whole. Every breath my song will be. Jesus, I am yours completely.